Whoever abandoned you in the middle of the ocean has no rights to know what the sharks did to you or how you managed to come out of that ocean, how you managed to survive from there. Because mark it, if you will go back to those people, if you will let them know how you survived, how you coped up with all your struggles, then they will make sure that you will never see that shark again, or that raft again, or anything again that helped you to come out from there, that helped you to survive from there. Now tell me, what are you expecting? Like, tell me, why are they coming now? When it was actually the time when you needed them, when it was their part to come to you, when it was their part to help you, at that time they didn't come. At that time they left you, at that time they abandoned you as if you are nothing to them. Then why are they coming now? Those shitty people, they left you, they abandoned you when you actually needed them. Now they don't deserve to know how you survived. Now they don't deserve to know how you came from there. You don't owe them any explanation now. I'm highlighting the importance of moving on and not giving them the satisfaction of knowing your struggle story. Don't give them this satisfaction by telling them that what they actually wanted you to suffer, how they actually wanted you to suffer, you were actually suffering in that way. It's like you have fought so hard to reach where you are now, and it's like you are telling those people only to not repeat those mistakes which helped you to come out of that situation, which helped you to come out of that downfall era because of their mistake. And you know what? From the next time, if you let them know how you came out from that situation in which they threw you, then from the next time, they will make sure that they are not making those mistakes again which are helping you to come out of that situation, which helped you to come out of that situation this time, and then you will be stuck there only next time. That's the only meaning of that phrase which I said, that if you will let them know, then trust me, you won't find that shark again, that raft again, or anything again that helped you to come out from there. They will make sure to destroy those people, to destroy those things which are helping you out. Like, literally, tell me, why are they coming now? What's the point of coming now? What they want now? When you wanted them, when you actually needed them, at that time they were not coming, at that time they were not helping you, then why are they coming now? What they want now? A piece of your success, a piece of how you coped up from there? When they actually had the capability to help you, at that time they were not doing anything. Then why are they coming now? You know what? Do every dumb thing in your life, every possible dumb thing, but don't do this thing of giving people second chances. Especially to those who left you once in your downfall, especially to those who left you once in your struggling phase. Like, the ones who had the audacity to leave you when you actually needed them the most will always have the audacity to do the same thing. They will be like, again they will leave you, and then when you will again cope up with your struggling phase, then you will again cope up with your downfall era, again they will come and manipulate you. Then again you will think that, okay, they also had some or the other reason to leave me. And the cycle will keep on repeating, and the victim will be only you. Do you really want to be a victim of this thing for your entire life? No, right? Nobody wants. But the main problem is that we don't actually realize this thing. We don't realize when we are actually there in that situation. We think that we are only being rude. We think that we are only overreacting and all that stuff. And that's the main problem. As soon as you get negative vibes, as soon as you think that, okay, this person is not like how I'm thinking, or this person will never support me the way I think this person will be, leave them as soon as it comes in your mind. It's your gut feeling, it's your intuition. When you understand, you know what, never settle for less. If you think that I deserve this thing, then understand that, okay, you deserve and you have to settle for that only, not less than that. If you have any person like this whom you think that they won't support me when I will have nothing and all that stuff, what are you waiting for? Just leave them. And if you have actually seen people leaving you when you have nothing, then what are you waiting for? Like, why are you taking them back in your life if you're really taking? What are you doing? Why are you doing this? What's the point of doing it? They will again do the same thing to you. Don't you have any self-worth, self-respect, self-value? You don't own any explanation to them. They don't deserve any explanation, or you don't deserve to hear any explanation from them. They had the ability to help you, at least support you, not practically but at least emotionally. They didn't did that, okay? They just abandoned you. They just left you. Then why are you taking them back, or why are you telling them how you coped up? Just so that from the next time they make sure that you don't come out from there. You don't cope up with that situation again, just to make sure that, just for them to make sure that. At last, I'm just saying that be mature, be sensible, and raise your standards. You don't owe them any explanation. They don't deserve to come back in your life. They don't deserve to get that place back in your life. Don't disrespect yourself by taking those people back in your life. If they had the audacity to leave you once when you actually needed them the most, then they will have this audacity for the lifetime. And if you will take them again back in your life, then they will be like, okay, this person is like that only. I can do anything to this person. And then what will be your value? Zero. And understand this thing, that those who abandoned you in the middle of the ocean when you needed them the most, they don't deserve to know how you survived from there, what the sharks did to you, and how you managed to come out from there. Because trust me, if you will really let them know how you managed to come out, then they will make sure that you won't find the same shark, the same raft, or anything same that helped you to come out from there. They will try to destroy each and everything that helped you. So don't be foolish enough to tell them how you came out from there. Instead, be mature, understand this thing, that how they are, and don't take them back in your life. Don't tell them how you came out and don't take them back in your life. Raise your standards, be mature, raise your standards. Don't settle for these type of people. Because now if they are coming, they are just coming to take the piece of your success. And if now you are not successful, then too they are just coming to pull you back again. So don't be dumb enough. Don't give them any chance now. That's it.